A for apple. A for apple. Apple यानी सेब. B for ball. B for ball. Ball यानी गेंद. C for cat. C for cat. Cat यानी बिल्ली. D for dog. D for dog. Dog यानी कुत्ता. E for elephant. E for elephant. Elephant यानी हाथी. F for fish. F for fish. Fish यानी मछली. G for grapes. G for grapes. Grapes यानी अंगूर. H for hen. H for hen. Hen यानी मुर्गी. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Ice cream means kulfi. J for jug. J for jug. Jug यानी जग. K for kite. K for kite. Kite यानी पतंग. L for lion. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. M for monkey. Monkey यानी बंदर. N for nest. N for nest. Nest यानी घोंसला. O. O for orange. O for orange. Orange यानी संतरा. P for parrot. P for parrot. Parrot यानी तोता. Q for queen. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rose. R for rose. Rose यानी फूल. S for ship. S for ship. Ship यानी जहाज. T for train. T for train. Train यानी रेलगाड़ी. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Umbrella यानी छाता. V for van. V for van. Van यानी गाड़ी. W for watch. W for watch. Watch यानी घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. One. One. Two. Two. Three. Three. Four. Four. Five. Five. Six. Six. Seven. Seven. Eight. Eight. Nine. Nine. 10. Ten. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.